Welcome back. Hopefully you're ready for some quilling fun because we're going to get it started today. So let me kind of run through how this is going to work. There's going to be sort of multiple videos within the next few days. So what you're going to do to learn the techniques and to complete them is you're going to come into where it says step 2 and you're going to click on the paper quilling techniques and it's going to show you which ones you should be completing for today. You will click on it and watch the video that shows you how to make that technique. Okay, so you'll do that. Then once you've done that for all of them for that particular day, you'll notice that it also says that any of them that you like, you're going to want to make 8 to 12 of them. They should all be the same color. They should all be, as close to the same size as you can get them to be. But as you can see, when we're looking at all of our examples, let's take a peek back there. When we're looking at all these examples, you can see that we're going to need multiple of the same shape. It's going to kind of depend on how big and how, what you exactly decide for your symmetry once we get to that part. But 8 or 12 tends to be kind of the best numbers to start with. So what you'll do once you've got those different types of coils created is you're going to keep them somewhere safe. So maybe you store them in just like a paper baggie. No, that's not paper, that's plastic. A plastic baggie, or maybe in a container like this, but store them somewhere safe where they're not going to get stepped on or lost or anything like that. By making 8 to 12 of any of the techniques that you learned today, it is going to make your life so much easier once we come to the final. Yes, we are practicing today, but while we're practicing, let's kind of work ahead too and get some extra ones in there. That way, when it comes time to actually start assembling the whole paper quilling picture, that symmetrical one, you've already got a good start on a whole bunch of different strips coiled up, ready to go, and all you need to do is kind of place them and glue them down and then add to it versus starting from the very beginning in a few class periods. Okay, so make sure to, any of them that you're like, oh yeah, I like this one, that's kind of cool, make sure you're making multiple. And once again, when you're making those multiples, it's going to be important that they're the same color and, as best you can, the same shape. So go ahead and do those first techniques on that first page, and keep them somewhere safe for future classes. All right, get going. Check out all those videos for today. We'll see you next time.